Hello guys, what's up? My name is Gamer Guy, and today we're just gonna be playing the game because, of course, I'm Gamer Guy. So begin. That just rhymed. Did it not? I think it did. I mean, we could play anything, right? Games. Not that many. Let us You know what? Let's just play Pako Car Chase Simulator. I got this game. Sorry, I just turned it down. Okay. I know that doesn't seem loud, but trust me, it's loud for when because this is not rooted yet. So it's just odd. I will try to root it soon. No, I don't want that one. Let's see what this one is. No. New game. But so I kind of have a feeling of absolute driftiness in this game. It's just what it feels like to me. Got updated a couple times since the last time I played it. So freaking car. But it's hard to play. No. So you gotta try to turn too freaking early. Come on. Why are you doing this to me? Come on. Right space. Come on. Woo! Where are the cops supposed to be? Oh, these guys make turbo dismount? Well, I didn't know that. Kinda should have known that. Car? Well, I just don't think a car explodes when it hits another car. This is not what happens. Anyways, as I was saying, I'm getting some better equipment soon. I'm also rooting this soon-ish. So it's better for you guys, better quality, better sound, so you guys don't hear me every time I tap on the freaking tablet. But yeah, that'll be happening. I'm getting a laptop, a capture card, microphone, so I can start recording my PlayStation 3, Xbox if you guys want. Oh, my Xbox might be like dead, it's been red ringing a lot. Oh my gosh! Skills. Tree got hit. Oh, cop, freaking idiot. You know? I'm just kidding, cops are not, sometimes they can be a little mean. You little buttholes, don't hit the frickin' tombstone, whatever it's called. God, I don't want ads, so I'm going to skip and get rid of their game of swore. Breaking news. I was reading the breaking news. KSI Graves are dead or alive. No, they're not. There are no zombies here. So take your false news and get out of here. I can pause it. Can I make it go slow motion? No, I can only pause it. Those are true drifting skills. Ha! Freaking cops. No! Nobody likes you. Red and blue and black and white car, cop car, people, cemetery with candles. You have candles on the tombstone, and I kind of know why. I've done that stuff before. The candles on the tombstone before. Yeah, I have. No. You know, the families of these, like, so the people who have died here, and I'm hitting their tombstones, the families are getting pretty angry at me, don't you think? What's the breaking news? It distracts me. Alright, dead or alive. They are dead and alive, and a lamppost is freaking agitating. Aggravating and agitating. The whole game is aggravating and agitating. Well, it just came. No, not again. Why are there so many ads in every game? That's right, Speed Yo Ninja. I don't want your Speed or Yo Ninja. That's right. I told him. Tree, don't move. I'm gonna come down there with an axe, with a crazy axe, man. I'm gonna let him chop you down. Well, all of your tree friends watch. That's right, you're gonna get chopped down while your tree friends watch. How do you like those? Apples! Green tree, apples, tree, greens, apples! Oh! Oh! Come on, come on. Come on. Oh, it was a silence there. I started dozing off. Sorry that you suck so much, car. Come on. I'm gonna end this video soon. Maybe one more round. This is gonna be my last round. I'm just gonna do it. Alright, one more. This is gonna be the last one. And drift. Alright, well that ends today's video. If you like it, give it a like. You don't even have to if you don't want to. Comment what you want to see next. Make sure to subscribe to become a gamer guy /gal today. And so I will see all you gamers in the next sometime video. I don't know my outro yet, so see y'all. Bye.